How many double consonants are there in Spanish? Today, you're going to find out. I'm Carlos, and I've been teaching Spanish for over 16 years now and helped hundreds of students from all over the world. And today, you're going to learn very important vocabulary that you're going to hear and that you're going to use all the time. Let's get started. First of all, in English, you guys have a lot of double consonants. You have the double B in rabbit, double C, success, double D, middle, double F, coffee, double G, bigger, double K, bookkeeper, double L, really, double M, summer, double N, dinner, double P, happy, double R, sorry, double S, message, double T, letter, double Z, pizza. In Spanish, we don't have that many double consonants, so it's gonna be even easier. Let's start with the first double consonant in Spanish, and that is the double L. In the past, we used to call it elle, but now we just call it doble L, double L. We're gonna see a lot of examples, and we're going to practice sentences using this sound in Spanish. The next one. The favorite sound in Spanish for most Spanish speakers, the double R, doble R. I know this is the most challenging sound, but you can absolutely learn it. It's a matter of practice, repetition, and feedback. Let's continue. Double C, doble C. One more. This is not very common. Double N, doble N. There is not a lot of vocabulary with this sound, but we're going to practice it anyway. And there is one that is the double Z that is not really Spanish. We find it in some words that have Italian origin. Let's practice some very common vocabulary with these double consonants. First of all, doble L, double L, llamar. Remember, there are two main pronunciations for the double L. One is like the J in English, llamar, and the other one is very soft, like llamar. In some countries, we use the J. In some other countries, they use the ya. Even in some countries, you can find both sounds, the J and the ye. For example, in Colombia, in Medellin, we say Medellin. For example, we don't say Medellin and we don't say Medellin. But if you go to the Colombian coast, many people there say Medellin, like Shakira. Shakira speaks with the yeah, with the soft double L. Let's practice the pronunciation. Llamar. Remember that this is to call. Llamar. Pollo. Chicken. Calle. Street. Lleno. Full. This is a very important topic. Why? For example, in Medellin, most people use the J sound. I have some Spanish students who told me that they got into a cab and they told the driver, "Cae 10, por favor." And the driver couldn't understand what they were saying. Why was it? Because they were pronouncing the double L like the soft double L. In Medellin, we say calle. So people were saying calle 10, but they were saying cae 10. That's why pronunciation is so important. Let's continue with the second double consonant, the double R, doble R. Perro. Remember, nobody is born with this sound. The doble R is an acquired sound. You need to repeat, practice, and you will be able to get it. Perro, dog. Carro, car. Correr, to run. Arriba, up. Let's move on to the double C, doble C. Acción. So here, this first C in Spanish sounds like a K. Acción, acción. Lección, same thing. It sounds like a K. Some people mispronounce this word and they actually say lesión, which is a different word. Lesión means injury. Lección is lesson. And the next word is dirección, address. Dirección. Let's move on to the least common, the double N. Innecesario, unnecessary. Innecesario. Innovación, innovación, innovation. Innato, innato, innate. And there are some words with the double Z. Like I said before, these are words that come from the Italian language. We don't really have double C in Spanish. Pizza in Spanish, most people say pizza. Jacuzzi, most people say jacuzzi. So people in Spanish pronounce the double Z like an S. Pizza, jacuzzi, mozzarella. Now let's practice with some common sentences to help us assimilate this vocabulary and to practice pronunciation. The first one with the double L. Está lloviendo mucho. Está lloviendo mucho. It's raining a lot. Está lloviendo mucho. Doble R. El perro corre en la calle. El perro corre en la calle. There's a connection here. Corre en la calle. You merge the two E's. El perro corre en la calle. Doble C. Fue un accidente terrible. Fue un accidente terrible. Fue un... You connect these three vowels, the U, the E, and the U. Fue un. The N connects to the A. Fue un accidente. Fue un accidente terrible. It was a terrible accident. The next one, the double N. Es innecesario discutir por eso. The S connects to the I. Es innecesario. Es innecesario discutir por eso. Por eso. Es innecesario discutir por eso. It's unnecessary to argue about that. And the double C, that is not really Spanish. It comes from the Italian language. Me encanta la pizza. Me encanta. Me encanta la pizza. I'm leaving a free PDF in the comments below and in the description for you guys to practice the double R, the double L, the double N, and the double C. And also, if you want to keep practicing your Spanish, I leave this video so you can practice the pronunciation of the double R.